communication flares and qualifications roll out. Now it's on, so way on the run, but I'm not the one. So coming back down with the guns, now we can't go home. I'm breaking my heels just to make it where we can go home. Changing names and roaming on.
Yeah, it feels so good. Like all year, I only had ninth, and I couldn't make that round. Like always, it was very close, and I didn't make it. So this time feels so good to get it. Like most of the heat, I was like, oh shit, I'm gonna lose again, and like I only needed like a 3 point something, and I let some good waves go too, because it was hard to read the lineup out there. And yeah, I'm so stoked to be in the quarters now.